Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well today. Got this Tonic magazine kit, and it's called Special Day Memory Maker, and this was their issue number 2. The first one I think was like a Christmas tree or something, but it had the memory books in there, and I wanted to go ahead and check that out. So I took the contents out of the box, and it's very nicely done. It's the nice matte soft cover magazine. It's not your typical one like maybe we're accustomed to getting, but it goes through lots of projects and different ways you can use some sneaky peeks of different products coming out, and lots of different techniques to use your dies. And what I liked about it was, let's see, where's that page? They go through here where it says beginner's guide, and they go through different binding ways, and I really liked this because it can be, sometimes you get a die and you're kind of like, what do I do with it? So this, it goes through a simple bound, simple fold out book, a simple no spine memory book, a simple notebook or journal cover, and of course you could play around with whatever after that, but they go through simple steps with you, and so I appreciated that. And then lots of inspiring projects there, and it's nice quality book there. Then you get a pack of papers, and I guess you can make some sort of calendar book if you want. So those, we have a gold foil side, that's pretty. Some more die cut pop outs with banners and things. So they're, each of them are double-sided, so if you don't want the gold, or if you want the gold, that's that. And then the papers, fan those out for you. Doesn't that smell nice? Okay. So some nice colors. Show you there, and that looks like it repeats. Yeah. And then the other side is the foiled side. So you have these flowers. So you have options there. That's picking up in the camera. Like that. And then again, they repeat. So those are the papers. And then it comes with, obviously the dies we'll get to in a second here. It comes with this stencil. So it's got like a scalloped edge, lots of little bannery things if you're making a planner. So that stamp set, like this. It says forever and always, enjoy the little things, live life in full bloom. Some different florals, some emojis, and then little planner type icons and things there. So you have that. I got it mostly for the die set, which comes with this magnetic sheet, which is nice. And this piece, let's get the ruler out. So the main sort of bit there that makes your, you have your binding that kind of scores here. You can curl it in, and then you have your piece here. It has a score line here. This measures about 9.5 by 6 3/4 to give you an idea, which is slightly smaller if you have some of the other of this style in the line. It's slightly smaller than that, so because I wondered was it just another one, but so there's that. You have some binding pieces here that you can put ribbon through, little flowers, and then these little rectangles. And then, of course, you have your verso dies that you can put in these different configurations. You have this piece, which is nice for card making as well. All these pieces are. So this is 4.5 by 6 1/4. So that's a nice card size front that you could use, but that's meant to go obviously there. And then these verso dies that have the insides and the shadow piece. Some flowers here, it looks like. What else have we got here? Of course, this piece, which is nice because it's, you know, harder shape to layer. You have some like banner type, not banner, but label sentiments, arrows. It says love you. Does this come across out? Yeah. So this is in 3 different pieces. Dream, I think. No. Dream. Yeah. So it says dream and love. And of course you can use those on cards as well. So lots of usable pieces, even if you don't like to make memory books or something. But you can even make a card out of this piece here. And that is what comes in the kit. And we'll go ahead and make a project.